Sound field. Join my Korean-American friend Janet Park as she performs in midst of sound field on the occasion of my solo exhibition Soul Matter at the Stammelbachspeicher in Hildesheim, Germany. Will she manage to free herself from her oppression by 200 kilograms of raw steel and the entanglement between 100 hammers in her much too small, narrow space? Will she manage to breathe again, a sigh of relief in another world? Will she be able to overcome the panic of hopelessness? Bravo, Janet. Thank you, my dear good friend.